Hello developers, in this video we will learn about map method. So map method executes a provided function once for each element of an array, and map method transforms each element in an array and returns a new array with the transformed elements. Map method by default does not modify the original array, same as in case with the forEach. So we have studied forEach method in the earlier video. So what's the difference between map and forEach? So when we have to use map and when we need to use forEach method. So use map method when we need to create a new array by transforming each element to the original array. Okay. And use forEach method when you need to perform an action on each element of the array but do not need a new array. Okay. And map is chainable. That is, we can attach methods to it like reduce, sort, filter, etc. Okay. So let's discuss map method with some basic example. So firstly creates an array of numbers. Example map method example map example. Let numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is an array of numbers. So use map method to create a new array with each number doubled. Okay. So let doubled numbers equals to, this is the original array numbers. On this array we will use map method. Okay. And what we want to do, we want to double each element of the numbers array. Okay. So we will use map method because we need to transform the original array and we need new transformed array. So we are using map method. So inside map method we are creating function that will accept each element of the array and will return the transformed element number by 2. Okay. So now the new array will be doubled array. Okay. So what will be the output here? Each element will get doubled. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. And original array will remain same. So numbers. Numbers is the original array. So it will remain same 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check it in the terminal. Okay. So this 2, 4, 6, 8 is the transformed array using the map method. So we have used numbers.map to create a new array where each item is doubled. Okay, so we have used numbers.map, and the function inside map, this one, it will take each number from the array. It will take each number from the array and returns numbers.number multiplied by 2, which is stored in this variable doubled numbers. Okay, and map does not change the original array. Original array will remain same, that is numbers array will remain same. So why we use map method? What will be the use case? Suppose if we are calculating the price with text. Okay, so map method will help to apply the text calculation to each price, returning a new array with the updated prices. Okay, so this is the use case of map method. So map creates a new array based on the transformation applied to each item of the original array. Okay, so this is the concept of map method in JavaScript.